All right, hey, Mo with HotJet. Want to go over our enclosed trailer units. I know we don't have a lot of them on our web, so I wanted to go ahead and do an overview before this unit ships up by Prudhoe Bay, North Alaska. So this company's got an enclosed, or it's actually municipality's got an enclosed trailer. We've insulated it. It's pretty cold up there, 30, 40, 50 below. So we've built some other units that have gone up north, in northern Alaska up there. First of all, we have a Super Duty trailer. We're building it on a 10K, full size, 7 wide. So it's twin 5,000 pound axles. So it's 16-inch on centers. That looks like less than 16. Is that a foot?
I think it's 16.
16? Okay, good guess. We custom order it with the extra wide doors, so you can pull the power plate in and out when that day comes if you need to replace it or service it. Our philosophy is to have a piece of equipment you can service out in the field if you have to. So everything's going to break. We hope not. We've had great success track record. But if that day comes, and you also want to be able to have access to it. So this unit's our high output, 12 GPM, 4,000 PSI, has the 37 horsepower fuel injected Vanguard motor, which is made by Toyota. You can kind of get a good look at the pump. German pump, access to the filters are super. All our units come with the extra toolboxes, safety gear. This unit's got the remote controls. That's the best remote control in the industry. Safety gear, stingers to keep the nozzle from turning around the pipe. We'll kind of look through here just a little bit. Wow, we got extra filters, operational, trailer, Warthog manuals, so they arrive complete. Pressure wash nozzles as well. Spare tire, all the labeling. We'll just keep walking around. We got a little better view from the back. So back here's your point of attack. I'll turn the lights on just for a sec. So you get just really good lighting, both outside, inside, complete controls, temperature. We don't recommend hot water over 120. That's our max. Burner on, key on, remote switch to turn it on and off. RPM tack. I've noticed the fuel injected runs a little higher RPM.
Yeah.
Sure seems like it. So if you're higher elevation as well, the fuel injected's a really nice option. We do have diesels. We do have smaller engines, but this right in the middle. Our premium hydraulically driven hose reel. In this price category, it's hard to find. You can, hydraulic in this price category. Easy access hose reel. It'll close up for shipping. Remotes up here, remote sender, remote receiver. Easy start valve. That activates the hose reels. That's off. That's on. So that's your easy start. That activates both hose reels. This is your pressure wash reel, or you can run the smaller reel off of it. So we ship them in the off position. I like to make sure they're not under pressure. Off, off, easy start, ready to go. Drains right there. Fill hose as well as the large hose. You've also got the recycle system where you can hook the hoses in there if you want to keep the water just recycling between jobs. A beautiful foam job. Come on around, we'll wrap this video up. Here's the exhaust system. We have an exclusive way of putting in our exhaust systems. They've been really super. So it's up and out with the exhaust. Hydraulic tanks there. You can kind of go up inside with the camera there. I'll turn the light on. You got your relief valve right here. All easy access for the wear items. If you have any questions on this unit or want to look into an enclosed unit if you're in a colder climate, as well as the hot water to de-ice, give us a call anytime. We're more than happy to get out quotes and build your equipment for you. Take care.